Hi guys, today we'll be making slime. Now you need a container, a spatula, and Elmer's glue. You can use clear or not clear or the glitter one or the glow in the dark, and some Elmer's magical liquid. And you can also add some of these classic glitter glue from Elmer's. Now first, you want to get a container or a bowl, and then you want to get your glue and then open the whole lid. Now I'm only going to use half for this, and then pour it in like this. Like that. And then I'm going to take some Elmer's magical liquid right here. Right before I do that, I'm going to use some of these glitter glues. So I'm going to use blue. And I'm going to put some of it in. Like that. And I'm also going to add some green to it. And now I'm going to mix that up with a spatula. Maybe I should add some more. Okay, now I'm going to add the Elmer's magical liquid. I'm going to add a bit more. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. Over here it's a bit sticky. I'm going to add some more. Okay, I think it's ready to take out. Okay, now it is a bit sticky. Maybe I should use a bit more activator. I think that made it more stickier. I think you just need to play with it. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And turn that notification bell on so you don't miss any of our videos. And yeah, it's coming together as I play with it. Okay. Okay, so this is this slime, so it is actually quite sticky, but it's good. Okay, so this is the slime here. So it's a bit sticky, and yeah, so okay, I've been playing with it for a while now. I've added a tiny bit more of Elmer's magical liquid, and it's actually come pretty good. Here, you can stretch it out like this, it's pretty good. I think I did use a bit too much of this though, but it's still actually pretty good slime. And yeah, so it's pretty good. It's not that sticky. And yeah, so bye.